Good afternoon, my name is Peyton, and today I'll be doing my final tuba demonstration video. Today, we are going to play the entire military suite at the mark tempo of 120. Today we're going to be focusing on everything that we've been learning about this semester, so really good technique, supporting our sound, holding out all of our long notes all the way through, and adding some style as well.